afternoon guys, it's Carl from Studio in Car, and we've got Mercedes GLC63 AMG behind us. Me and Jamie have been working on it for around a week now. System, Audison AV51K, Audison AV Quattro, bridged on the mid bass, which is the Audison AP8 mid bass with a custom mount. Audison Bit 1 HD Virtuoso, so the Big Daddy DSP in there, needed in these cars because there's a little bit of integration to do. This is a brand new one as well, so it's not like the early 2020 ones, which were a little simpler to integrate, you know. Hertz Melee front end, tweeters, mid-range, and JL TW5 in a prefab box, because Matt's about to have a baby, so we want to be able to take that out when we can, and it just makes the job, you know, a little simpler, a little easier to live with, but still gives them decent bass. A couple of little trick touches, but relatively unseen most of the installation. We want it all tucked away in all the little cavities in the car. So let's have a quick look and we'll talk through it, alright? Pretty mad looking car, to be fair. This is Lewis from Rain Valeting as well, has just been through this and just ceramic coated the car while it was with us. Let's start in the boot. So that's the TW5 there. It's quite a big sub in terms of its diameter, shallow, so it doesn't need a massive box. What I'm not going to be able to do with one hand, but I will throw something up on the screen, and Matt's going to get it for me, and show you the actual installation, which you can see just through there. That's the 51K, that's the Virtuoso, Fusion is just underneath the 51K, and the Quattro is further back. But you know, we don't need to see that. I can throw up an image on the video now of the Amprac when it was built. But yeah, they sit under there nice and completely out of the way. So moving through to the car, we have the Melee tweeter, which you can see there. So yeah, that works. We managed to remove the original tweeter, modify it, have the Melee Legend tweeter sat in there in its place. They have to sit in a specific way so that when they spin, they end up sort of centralized with the build, and they're in line with the driver. So yeah, Melee's in the doors, AP8's down at the footwell, and the DRC controller is in here. And it looks a little strange because it's upside down, but if you think the driver's head is there, we don't really want them in there as it is, but that is a client request. He doesn't want it in his way. So what we've done is we've turned that around so that when he's controlling his sub, he doesn't have to look at it. So the sub button is right next to him, the volume button's right next to that, so he can just turn the subwoofer up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Relatively big job, but quite simple and quite effective, and a very snazzy looking car, which is also mental quick, to be fair. Scared the life out of me in it yesterday, didn't you? So yeah, alright, that's it. Handover's done, Matt's happy, car's great, and yeah, we're going to close for the week. Alright, this is also marks the first car that we've ever taken a crypto payment on. So Matt's a crypto trader, and you know, just if we can accept that as a payment, so that's the first one, which marks a bit of a beginning for this place. So we'll now be, you know, working behind the scenes at that to get more, you know, more established with crypto based payments. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. All the products as usual, everything's down below. Everything we do in-house, everything we sell in-house. Yeah, so I'll leave those links for you. Comments, subscribes, likes, it all helps with the algorithm. Helps us know what you like and what you don't like, so makes the channel better. I'm Carl, this is Studio in Car. Have a nice weekend.